Are you dreaming of a home that's stunning and efficient? Meet Ardmor Windows and Doors, your trusted dealer of premium UPVC windows and doors from Oknoplast, one of Europe's most recognized window brands known for exceptional quality, customization, and innovation. Key facts about Oknoplast: 1.3 million windows produced annually, 5 independent factories, 30 years of experience, over 3,200 employees, and a presence in 19 countries with 3,500 dealer networks. Here in the US, we offer Pixel and Pava Windows. Pixel has 6-chamber profiles and bent steel reinforcement to ensure a stable structure. It's also the perfect combination of elegance, aesthetics, and modern technology to flood your room with natural light. They're energy efficient, easy to operate, and provide security. Our commitment extends to your experience, with our experts guiding you from selection to seamless installation. Join countless homeowners who've transformed their homes with Ardmor and Oknoplast.